What's up, everyone? So here's my 2000 BMW 528i. This specific one came with the sport package. So as you can tell, it looks pretty drop, but that's actually factory. So if you see this car compared to a regular 5 Series, it's a lot lower. So I just bought some Raceland coilovers for it because I want to drop the front a little bit. Mostly used to cover this wheel gap, so you can put my whole hand in there. I kind of want to just cover the wheel gap so I can't fit my hand, and when I drop it, depends how I feel. Maybe I'll drop it some more to cover the tire so it looks more sportier and with a more aggressive stance. As you can see back here, I can barely put my hand straight. I have to go sideways. With the front, I can put my whole hand in there pretty much. So yeah, so I bought the racing coilovers. I'm probably gonna get slammed in the comments, but it's okay. I've used them before, so they run great. So I'm gonna put them on the car just to drop the front, and then mostly because my front shocks are kind of bad. And I did the calculations. I'm gonna be spending like almost $350 just to do the front shocks with suspension and shock mounts and sway bar links and all that junk. So I figure I get all four. The back, I don't want to drop it. It looks perfectly fine like that to me. It's just really the front. And plus I have built-in struts in the back. They're only about 3 years old, so they still run good. But yeah, I just want to really drop the front. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to put them on, put the coilovers on, and then I'll do a review on them. There's a lot of kind of mixed reviews about them out there. Honestly, a lot of people haven't even tried them. They're just doing it based on price. But I'm going to put them on and show how the car rides. And that's it. Drop my baby some more, and I'll be good to go. I live up north, so it kind of snows here, so I don't want to go too low. And even when it snows, it's not too bad. Even if I go too low, we still have this RAV4 right here. So if it's really bad to snow, I just drive that. That's it. Stay tuned. I'm going to post them struts. That's the best thing right there, 5-speed. Stay tuned. Peace.